Hi guys, good morning. We are going to discuss about how to import a PDF file and how do we going to extract data from the PDF file into Tableau. Simple as that. Why we wanted to discuss this? The question comes in: is a PDF would have a data in that? Yeah, question comes in. Yeah, some part of time. Yeah, we can still extract it. What I'm doing here is I'm just taking here a sample data here. Look at it here. Yeah, cool. Now look at carefully here. It's kind of like example data in national participate quality school after school learning. Look at it here. It is basically number of coils, number of paper clips is getting utilized here. This is one sort of data. Now I'm going back again. One more table comes in. Yep, speed, driver, car, engine, date. We got some data to analyze here. But parallelly, like we got all together of three tables, right? But keeping this data in PDF might not always be helpful for us to do any kind of analysis that we wanted to have. So let's go back to Tableau to start working on that tables which is there in PDF file. Now I go for PDF file, I click that. After clicking it, I go with Tableau sample comes in. I just open it and look at it here. Is that all a single page or range that we wanted to select? It asks me. I would choose all to get all the data. I click that. After getting it extracts data within that and then produced me two tables. Okay, let's check the tables value. Look at it here. Short circuits, that the first table which we have seen. Yeah, this is fine, cool. Is what about the second table then? I would take page 2, table 2. Cool, look at it, speed, driver, car, engine. It's been getting extracted here. Yeah, this is what we have been looking for to do the analysis. But look at it, it is a PDF file, but still Tableau manages to extract the data whichever is being given in a fixed format within the PDF file. If the data is not being given in a fixed format, because we have seen that there are a lot of text within the same PDF file, so if it is not, then obviously, like if it produces in the table format, yeah, obviously Tableau extracts those data for us and then we can start working on the simple as that. So this is an idea of creating a PDF file and then maybe like not creating, it's like importing a PDF file within Tableau and then start analyzing on that, simple as that. Yeah, thank you, see you in the next video.